So that is my clumsy moment of the week. Hey, good morning! I'm driving to work. I'm driving to work later today. I'm gonna go with one of my old roommates and I'm gonna work dinner with her and her husband. So that should be the bomb. It is raining, but the rain is actually warm. I'm wearing a coat, but really I should just want a jacket. It's not that cold. I think that's about it today. I do need a pack. I really should pack. I go to St. George tomorrow night. And I need to be all packed because I'm leaving straight after work. You knows it. You knows it. Alrighty. Story time. True stories. Alrighty, so I live on the 3rd floor and I'm already realizing this is a super bad idea because I've almost tripped down the stairs 3 times. I have tripped. I almost fell down the stairs 3 times. The first time I was carrying a big box when I was moving in. So that would have been bad if I would have tripped and fell back. And I first fell backwards and I caught myself. Second time, no boxes, no nothing, still tripped, caught myself. The third time was yesterday, and I was walking the stairs. I was trying to go fast because I was in a hurry. And I was about to hit the top and I see a girl and I tried to fall back again and I tripped forward and I was able to pull myself forward and she's like, it's okay. And I think she thought that I was trying to get up before her and I'm like, no, not really. So then I continued up the stairs giggling to myself because it was awkward. So living on the 3rd floor is deadly for me. Or these stairs are just really thin, really small. Either way, I tripped 3 times. And these are outdoors, so if I trip on them, I literally could fall all the way to the ground. It's really not the safest thing. I'm really just hoping I don't fall and hurt myself. Because I have fallen before. But the time I fell down the stairs was when I was younger, and I went head first, where all these times I've been going backwards. So I don't know why. So that is my clumsy moment of the week. Oh yeah, all those have been in less than a week from each other. So I'm not on a good record yet. Okay, I was watching this movie today, and if you haven't seen it yet, you should, even though you're gonna cry your heart out. It's called Love Kennedy. It's fairly new. I actually got it back on Black Friday. This is my first time watching it, and I have never cried that much in a movie. Usually I tear up at 1 part, maybe 2, and that's fine. This whole entire movie I had to keep paying attention because I was constantly just crying and tearing up. Happy tears, because everything was so sweet, because it's based off a true story. And so to see how these people really come together, it was great. And I haven't even finished it. I'm only halfway through. And I'm like, oh dang, is my makeup already messed up? And it's not even 9 in the morning. This is a microwave at work. It turns on when you open.
Is it gonna turn off?
It doesn't do anything. You don't notice it.
Put your hand in it. See if it cooks it.
You really are that afraid of the microwave.
Was the heat on?
I don't know. Test it.
Should we get my popcorn back?
But really, I don't think it would do much. Just put your hand in it and try it. Just put it in and then bring it out.
Do you see this?
Your other hand.
What if it goes through my body?
Dude, we were exposed to too many microwave waves. It's not doing a thing.
It's I don't know know, I feel air, but it's like hot.
Oh, they decided to throw away the microwave because it's acting weird and we're not sure it's safe for use. But I was like, hey, I got an idea. So I grabbed it and hopefully there'll be some kind of video with it soon. Having some fun with it. Right now I'm going in to have dinner with one of my old roommates and her husband. Super excited. She's like the best person in the whole entire world. Totally. She's amazing.